In just 90 days, I turned my YouTube channel into something I never expected. Now I have over 1 million views and over 11,000 subscribers. And I finally understood what makes a DJ channel grow on YouTube. What's going on, YouTube? This is DJYJYMIX yet with another video. If you a DJ or content creator or somebody that's trying to grow on YouTube, this video will save you a lot of time with trial and errors. Because when I started this journey, I thought it was all about just posting videos on YouTube and let the algorithm do its thing. And I was completely wrong. And today I'm going to break down exactly what happened, what worked and what didn't work, and how my channel started growing way faster than I ever expected. Now, before I jump in, let me give you some context. This channel is currently over 11,000 subscribers and over 1.5 million views from posting August last year, 2025. And one of my videos actually have over 700,000 views right now on YouTube. All of this happened way faster than I ever expected. And here's the crazy part. The thing that actually helped the channel grow as fast as it did, it wasn't my DJ skills, it wasn't my DJ equipment, it wasn't even anything that was expensive in my video. I will explain more of that later on in the video. Let me give you a quick backstory. Like a lot of DJs, I knew I wanted to create content. I had a lot of ideas, but I just didn't know where to start. And then one day I said to myself, let me just upload a mix, because I usually upload mixes into SoundCloud. They do okay, but I said, let me just upload a mix into YouTube and see what happened. And that's literally what happened. I uploaded the first mix and started watching YouTube Studio like a crazy person, refreshing every few hours, checking the views, checking the subscribers, checking everything like a crazy person would normally do when they just post their first video on YouTube. And I posted my first mix on August 25th. And at first, this mix started going like, on the first day, I'm looking at 2,000 views. The next day, I'm looking at, as you can see, 3 days, I was at 17,000 views. And 7 days, I was at 46,000 views. And if you can imagine, as a small DJ channel, that is huge for me to see these numbers just keep going crazy like it was going crazy that fast, especially just me posting a quick video. Like now, after seeing all of this growth happen, and that's when I started thinking, hold on, I may have something going on right now. So I decided to post another video, which is my second DJ channel that I posted on here. After I posted my second video, that video also getting traction as well. As you can see, in the first 8 days after me posting this video, that was on September 13, I had 32,000 views, which is something that I never expected would happen. I just figured I would have maybe 200, 300 views, maybe max 500 views, until I started seeing these numbers just going up like crazy, and they're still going up crazy. As you can see right here, in the last 48 hours, I have 1,800 views on my second video, which is my DJ mixes. And then from then on, I keep on posting videos after videos, and the numbers started going up. The views started going up. The subscribers started going up. And that's when it hit me. Maybe it's not luck after all, because at first I really thought it was, I'm being lucky right now. But after seeing my first video, my second video, my third video getting some real traction, so I'm like, maybe it's not luck. And I started saying that maybe people actually want this type of content that I am currently posting. And I'm not gonna lie to you, ever since that started happening, I couldn't stop checking the numbers. I couldn't stop checking the views, checking the subscribers. And I'm seeing that every day it keep getting higher and higher. Everything is moving forward, should I say. And then at that point, things started to get real. I still didn't understand YouTube fully. I still didn't understand the analytics. I still didn't understand the retention. I still didn't understand the CTR. Again, I'm brand new into this, making these lucky videos that happen to somewhat go viral. And basically, I wasn't even doing the things that I'm doing now. And eventually, the channel hit a milestone that completely changed my mind and the way that I look at YouTube. And actually, when that happened, I really thought that was going to change everything, and I thought I had everything situated. Come to find out that I was completely wrong. I didn't even have no idea what was coming next. And that's a story for another video because that would be way too long. Looking back now, I think one of the biggest mistakes that a lot of DJs makes is thinking that a lot of people subscribe to the channel because of their DJ skills and all of that. Don't get me wrong, good mixing helps. Good transition also helps. But the biggest thing that really helped is that the people are coming for your content. But trust me, that's not the reason that people keep coming back at all. People keep coming back because they enjoy the experience whenever they get to your content. They enjoy the content, they enjoy the vibe. And trust me, that is the biggest lesson that I have learned in the 90 days that I have been posting. And on the next video, I'm gonna break down the exact milestone that the channel hit. And I'm gonna tell you how fast that actually happened. And I'm also going to tell you what surprised me once I got there. Because trust me, that part of the story is where the things started getting really in. So if you're serious about growing your DJ channel, subscribe and follow this series because I will be breaking down everything that I have learned step by step. So with that being said, see you on the next video.